Welcome to my CSR India News. Odisha NGO gives electricity to remote villages, empowers 50k farmers. Odisha NGO, small and marginal farmers with less than 1 hectare of land are becoming wage employees, according to a 2019 situation assessment of agricultural households. For a variety of reasons, including a shortage of water, inappropriate storage, and marketing facilities, they are abandoning their farms. Since 1994, Pragati Koraput, an Odisha-based organization, has worked for the socio-economic well-being of tribal groups, small and marginal farmers, and the environment in Odisha's most fragile landscape. In an interview with CSRBOX, Prabhakar Adhikari, the organization's founder, stated that they mostly work in two districts, Koraput and Navarang. Our efforts revolve around principles of natural resource conservation, utilization, and management, as well as reviving and rebuilding sustainable agriculture techniques to provide financial security and a better livelihood, he explains. Prabhakar discovered 5 years ago that hilly locations like Koraput and Navarang received enough of rain throughout the year. Farming, on the other hand, was not conducted in those areas. The people who lived in these neighborhoods were migrants who would go to other cities in quest of work. This was because the rain would never be kept for agricultural use. Water would ride downhill since the area is undulating, Prabhakar expands. Odisha NGO initiatives. Rainwater harvesting systems were the first solution we introduced to collect water, RWHs. Second, solar-powered pumps were added to use the gathered water to water the fields. These measures were carried out under the half-acre farm model project, according to Prabhakar, who also mentions that some houses received solar-powered lights. Rice, millets, and other vegetables are grown by the farmers in this project. They are also offered assistance in marketing the product. According to Prabhakar, the organization also provided training to women in the same communities. They were trained in micro-entrepreneurship programs to create and package byproducts from agricultural food, he explains. Over 50,000 farmers have joined the program and reaped the benefits to date. Prabhakar also aims to replicate the concept to other distant Odisha communities. However, to scale up, he will need funding from authorities. Watch more CSR India news on my CSR India.